Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the clip into the timeline and making quick checks. Select the clip, then confirm project versus clip frame rates because that affects interpolation. Once done, decide if audio must follow video, make sure audio is visible and unlocked. Use the blade or select tool only if you need to retime a portion. This first step avoids surprises later, so correct frame rate mismatches now and lock tracks you do not want altered before changing speed. With the clip selected, press Command-R to reveal retime controls. This is where you manipulate speed precisely. Drag the right edge to compress or extend duration, or open the retime menu to choose exact percentages like 0, 5x or 2x. For variable speed, add speed points, then drag segments to shape ramps. Make sure to apply frame blending or optical flow from the retime menu for smoother motion when you change speed significantly, because that improves visual quality. Finish by refining audio and visual quality. If audio must stay natural, enable preserve pitch or detach and treat it separately. Render the timeline to preview optical flow results. Inspect for artifacts, ghosting, or sync drift, then tweak retime or blending as needed. Once satisfied, export with project frame rate settings that match your timeline to avoid jitter. If problems persist, re-render the segment with a different quality option, and consider converting source clips to a common frame rate before reapplying retime.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.